Okay, so I'm importing my STLs. I am bringing some CSV data to create a point at the tip of the nose and accompanying text. I am renaming the nose tip to patient, and I am parenting everything under that, and then doing some resizing and uh, changing the location of where things are. One thing I would like to do is each of these items, I would like to be able to rename them according to what's desired in the upcoming project. So what I'll probably do is something along this lines. I will kind of cycle through each of the items. So in this case, I will do spell no mand. I will then do something along the lines of selecting. I've already got it selected. And then what I'll tell the selected object to rename the object name to skull, and then underneath it the data name to skull. Having done that, then I will probably control. Let's see. I will set it to false, and then I'll subsequently cycle through each of the items that I would like renamed. The one thing that I don't want to forget, though, is that after having run through all of this, I have it set up where patient will have been selected as the active item. So I will want to reset that to false. Otherwise, that will also get renamed, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and play this. It should redo all of this. It'll take a few moments because of importing these large STL files. So we'll wait and see what happens. Okay, so there it is. Everything looks largely the same. However, when I go into patient, we will see that skull was renamed. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and take this snippet of code, and I will end up going through and pasting it in and just changing it to do each the same thing with head, the ventricles, and the mandible.